Stillness isn't just good for your soul, it's healing for your body. When God called us to rest, He wasn't only thinking about our spirit, He was protecting our health. Our bodies weren't designed to run on constant stress. Chronic busyness wears us down, increases anxiety, and weakens immunity. But when we pause, truly pause, our bodies begin to repair. Jesus Himself embraced rhythms of rest, walking, praying, and withdrawing. If the Son of God made time for rest, how much more do we need it? Research shows restful silence improves heart health and reduces inflammation. Beyond the science, rest honors our Creator. It says, "I trust you enough to stop striving." Stillness is worship, and your health is sacred. Choose rest.